that comes down here is actually coming out the back.
Okay.
What I'm having to do is take this entire assembly out because this needs to spin to come off, and we currently have this in the way of that. Okay. So I'm going to take it all off. Actually, I'm just going to take this pipe off completely now. And now we can spin this on and off. That way with it. I need to find a way. Sitting still.
Yeah.
My boys would never.
Yeah.
They,
He's calm.
Nah. They'd be interested, and then if it took longer than 30 seconds to do, they'd be like, okay, well, there's something else I could be doing, surely. Okay. That right there might be why it got all gunked up to begin with. So that white sealant that I just put on it, what we got to do is we got to be careful not to get it inside.
Okay.
So you can see from the factory, we kind of have this yellow sealant that was used, and it's all inside the pipe. That could be what's gunking it up. And when I say could be, I mean it probably is. So I'll go through and get all that out of there. Make sure that nothing is inside there. Is where I'm going to tie into. So I need this to turn to here. So my option is either go tighter and know that there's not going to be a leak, or have to go all the way back around where it's going to be too loose and leak. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I turned it around. Explains why it was so much easier. Being dyslexic doesn't help anybody.
This is kind of blue.
So not exactly.
Okay.
Well, I'd like to give you an example, but they didn't use it. So this will never truly dry.
Okay.
This is just something that is going to help fill those threads and make it to where nothing can come back out.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm
Oh no.
is your furnace is basically from here down. It's your heating. Down here, it's also our air handler.
Okay.
For both heating and cooling.
Okay.
So furnace, you have gas, which means you have flames. There is such a thing as like a heat pump, if you're familiar.
Okay.
So what a heat pump is we wouldn't have any gas running to it at all. We would just have a tall box here. You would have one indoor piece, one outdoor piece, and all a heat pump is in the summer, the flow of refrigerant, it goes one way to bring the heat outside.
Okay.
A heat pump, we're able to do that in reverse. We're able to reverse the flow of refrigerant, so we're bringing the heat inside.
Okay.
But yes, for you have a furnace. I prefer furnaces over heat pumps.
Okay.
They're just more durable in my experience.
Okay.
Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Now that we've installed the gas valve, we just got to adjust the pressures to make sure that they are in line with what the manufacturer recommends.
Yeah.
So there we go. The way we do that is with this little tool here. Good way, because I struggle with getting my 4-year-old to clean up all his toys. I'm gonna start saying, hey, let's show people how to clean up. Let me turn this on. Got that 90-second runtime.
What is that meter?
What is this?
Yeah.
So this is going to, I have a hose tied to a little port here.
Yeah.
Right now it's reading 0, but once the gas valve opens, it's going to give me a reading of exactly how much gas pressure is making it to these flames. I'm gonna, assuming it's not already set correctly, it should be set to 3.5. So that's what we're going to make sure of before we call this one done. Actually, we can be anywhere from 3.2 to 3.8. So we typically just do 3.5 because that's a good little median there. Surface igniter. So you can see it's 3.6. It's probably fine. We will adjust it to 3.5. Oh, be careful.
Oh,
All right.
thank you.
Of course. All that's left is just kind of taking my jumpers out,
Yeah,
getting everything back up and going.
yeah, sure, thank you.